Welcome to your luck. From the situation where the car cut into the truck's lane, causing it to overturn and resulting in severe damage, to the situation where a car ran a red light, causing a serious accident. This video is created for educational purposes and to remind everyone to drive safely. Let's get it on. Oh my, what happened to that truck? Oh my, the driver lost focus, resulting in losing control and crashing into the median strip. Please stay focused while driving. A car carelessly entered the intersection, causing the truck to crash into it. Please be more careful, everyone. Oh, that was a blind spot. Please pay more attention to blind spots. A truck lost control while turning and crashed head-on into an oncoming truck. Please be careful, everyone. It seems like the center of gravity was unstable. I hope the truck driver is okay. The driver was definitely distracted. Please stay focused while driving. Distribute the weight of your luggage evenly inside the vehicle to avoid overloading, especially with heavy items. A car ran a red light and caused an accident. Never run a red light, everyone. Oh, a car carelessly crossed the road, causing a cement truck to crash into it. Be careful, everyone. Don't stop suddenly in the middle of the road, everyone. This is a lesson for you. A truck driver lost focus and didn't maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, causing an accident. Please stay focused when driving, everyone. Yielding to each other at intersections is a good idea to avoid accidents. Trust me. You will be charged with dangerous driving for that action, so don't do it for your safety and everyone else's. What happened to that car? Please be more careful. Oh my God. Please pay attention to the cars stopping urgently, everyone. I hope no one is injured. Oh, the car stopped suddenly, causing the truck to crash from behind. Don't imitate that, everyone. A car lost control due to speeding and collided with a truck. Please be careful with your speed to avoid losing control.
He's over.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, never overload your vehicle, everyone, as it can cause the vehicle to overturn. Oh my, be careful when it's rainy and slippery. Luckily, there were no cars nearby. This is the consequence of crossing the road carelessly. Be careful, everyone. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. A truck lost control, ran into the bushes and overturned. Be careful to avoid overturning everyone. Oh no, I won't overtake a car like that because of people who make late decisions. Oh, a truck driver lost focus and crashed into several cars parked along the road. Please stay focused when driving, everyone. Great job by the traffic police. They got them off the road, making all of us safer. Oh, never run a red light, as it can lead to serious consequences. Ah, that's a blind spot. Please be careful, everyone. Wow, don't cross the road carelessly. This is the consequence of your actions. Be patient, and remember that arriving safely is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Oh, please maintain a safe distance from the vehicles in front. Luckily, there were no casualties. Oh my God, never speed and lose control causing an accident. I hope they are all okay. Please slow down when exiting an intersection, everyone. Thankfully, they have insurance, so its damages will be covered. Ah, stay focused when driving. Luckily, there was no accident. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Oh no, don't exceed the speed limit. This is a lesson for you. At least good job on braking without locking up to avoid accidents. Keep it up, everyone. A distracted driver crashed into a police car parked on the side of the road. Hopefully, such drivers will be penalized. Thank you for watching the video from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below if you enjoyed this video.